In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build, export, and use your Asana reporting dashboard. Asana offers a powerful platform for managing tasks, tracking projects, and analyzing your team's progress. Having a tailored reporting dashboard can help you make informed decisions and increase overall productivity. Let's dive into how you can create your custom reporting dashboard in Asana. To start, open your Asana account and navigate to the reporting feature, typically found in the sidebar. Here, you'll be able to create a new report or dashboard. First, think about the key metrics or data points you want to track. This could be anything from project completion rates to task updates or team performance metrics. Having a clear idea of what you want to track is crucial for setting up a useful reporting dashboard. Once you've identified your key metrics, set up the filters in Asana to include the relevant projects or tasks. Filters allow you to focus on specific teams or departments, or to exclude items that are not relevant to your specific reports. Adjust the filters based on priority, team member, project, or any other parameter that aligns with your reporting goals. The next step is to select the right widgets for your dashboard. Asana offers a variety of widgets like bar charts, line graphs, and more. You want the visualization to reflect the data clearly and understandably. For instance, use a line graph for trends over time and a pie chart for percentage distributions. Customizing your widgets to match the type of data you're working with will make your dashboard both comprehensive and easy to digest. After setting up your dashboard, you may want to refine and edit it to ensure that it meets your needs. As you interact with your dashboard, pay attention to its layout and design. Remove any clutter and only keep the most relevant information visible. Aim for a clean and organized appearance so that you can quickly gather insights at a glance. If a particular report configuration works well, you might consider exporting it for sharing or further analysis. Asana allows you to export your data in various formats, such as CSV files, which can easily be imported into other data analysis tools like Excel or Google Sheets. This is especially useful for presentations or when you need to collaborate with stakeholders who may not have access to Asana. Finally, use your dashboard regularly to track progress, understand team performance, and drive actionable insights. Periodically review your dashboard settings and adjust them to align with any changing business priorities or goals. This ensures that your dashboard remains a valuable tool in your project management toolkit. Now you have a robust Asana reporting dashboard to help you track and manage your projects more effectively. Remember, the key is to keep your dashboard intuitive and aligned with your specific objectives, ensuring it remains an integral part of your workflow. Enjoy building your customized reporting dashboard in Asana, and happy tracking.